What are the benefits of yoga? Doing yoga increases body flexibility. It reduces the formation of inflammation. Practicing yoga allows your body to become stronger. Doing yoga also contributes to the normal function of your immune system. It reduces back pain. It prevents the risk of heart attack. It helps control breathing, supports lung and heart health. It regulates the digestive system. It strengthens the muscles and helps you have a flexible body. It helps to lose weight. It reduces waist and back pain. It strengthens immunity. Supports fertility. It is important to get training from an expert in this field in order to practice yoga. Please do not try difficult movements without doing exercises beforehand. First of all, get training and try to progress step by step with simple movements. We wish you healthy days.